Today we are activating halal mode and we're eating Greek food. So let's eat! Look at that beast. Oh, that was a big bite. Jeez, what the heck? That's one thick gyro. What is going on? The biggest damn gyro I've ever had. Wow, just look at that. Excuse me. I know you want a bite. The dessert's gonna be unreal. One of my favorites. Just not digging that spinach. Not digging that spinach at all. I had to go quick because my microphone's dying. Look at this guy. Unique. On to the star of the show. Woo! I love baklava. I see you. Unreal. We're gonna get into the rate right now. Enough waiting. This sealed the deal. Just need one more bite to double check. Locking it in. Rate 8.3 out of 10. Wow. 8.3. I am on the struggle bus today. 8.3, absolutely delicious. What a mukbang. Greek food coming in clutch. Come on. Delicious. Lots of different flavors. I wasn't a fan of the spanakopita, I believe is what it's called, with the spinach. I don't like spinach. And then the galactaborek. Please correct me in the comments. This guy, the galactaborek. Maybe if I taste it, I can figure it out. It's a long name. Galactaborek. Going with that. That was all right. Nothing crazy. I like baklava so much, so that really topped it off. It's just so sweet, flaky, crunchy. I'm in love. And I had to save a couple for Jess. Jess loves baklava. But anyways, I love you guys, and I still got something in my eyes. It's crazy. Thank you, Foodie Fam, for liking and subscribing, and comment below what you want to see me eat next. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.